Uh, the 15 minutes wave and 1 hour tide in that.
So which script you are looking?
Reliance. Reliance.
Okay, let me stop my video and I will share my screen. Okay, and then we can look into Reliance.
Okay.
Just give me a second. I'm launching investing.com and then we can discuss.
Sure.
Okay, Raghav.
Yes, sir.
So you are looking at Reliance, right?
Yeah.
So here we are at Reliance. Let me hide the volume. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah. Sure. Okay, sir. It's fine.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, okay. Now tell me what is your doubt?
Go to wave, sir. 15 minutes wave.
Okay, 15-minute wave. Let me remove that marks as well. Okay, I'm going to 15-minute wave.
Yeah. And
Okay.
select whatever the candle may be, sir. Any one candle.
Okay, so let us mark, for example, let us mark this candle, this big candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Time 12:15. 12:15. Yeah. What is the time, sir? What is the time of that candle?
This is the 12:15, 11:15. Yes, so you want to mark the 12:15 one?
Yeah, 12:15. Yeah.
Okay, let us mark the 12:15 candle. This is 12:15 candle.
Yeah, 12:15. That candle runs from 12:15 to 12:30. Yeah, sure.
Right, that is candle start at 12:15. So I'll just zoom it for you. So this is the candle which is at 12:15, and just to confirmation, the next candle is at 12:30. So this candle, the highlighted in green, this one is 12:15 to 12:30. Yeah.
Yeah. In this matter, we are analyzing for a green candle for next candle.
Okay.
Our analysis is going to be for which candle, sir? For red candle or next one that is green candle.
Okay. So suppose you are here, right?
Yeah, the red candle is forming, sir. Now 12:15 candle is forming.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, now it's depend. Okay, you wanted to do the analysis that okay, what you should do next.
Yeah.
Right. So basically, I mean, before coming to this point, can I, just for your better understanding, may I ask you a question? Basically, when you are selecting maybe 12:15, what exactly you are trying to do?
No, I am going to analyze with current candle or previous candle.
Okay, okay, I got it. So basically, you want at this point of time, you wanted to decide that okay, you should sort it. I mean, you should sell or purchase, right? Is that your question?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, is
Sure,
that
yeah.
your objective, right? Okay,
Yes.
I will come to this point, but before that, I will go little bit. I mean, in the previous. Okay, so first of all, if I will be at your position, first of all, what I will do, I will look at the overall trend of the chart. I mean, okay. So basically, I will look at the overall trend, maybe by selecting a daily or maybe weekly. So suppose I have selected daily. Okay. So if you look at the chart by selecting the daily, what you can see here? What is the trend?
Sideways, uptrend.
Correct. So it is from here, from March and to this till this point, it is kind of a I mean higher high and higher low, and from this point to here it is going on the sideways, right? Is that the correct understanding? Okay.
Yeah.
So now let us mark that what is the sideways trend. So from here it went down, it went up. So can we say that, okay, maybe from this point, from from this point till future, okay, or maybe I'll just, to make it more appropriate, what I will do, I will just include the top. So this is one sideways trend, I mean the
Okay.
upper side. And what I will do, I will mark something so that I will cover all the most of the lower part, right? So if I put my lower
Lower width.
side, it will be like this.
Mm.
Okay, so that means what we can see now,
Sideways, mostly in sideways, or
correct,
mostly not. No.
it is the sideway between this point, upper point and lower point, right?
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
So okay, so so ideally, Raghava, see, for a trader, I mean for anything, trader or investor or do anything. So basically, suppose if you are looking at, let us save it into the, for our understanding, let us save it. I can say Reliance Raghava. I'm doing it for your help. So suppose I will do it like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay. Thank you.
now let us, so once we can see at this level, this, I mean, here we are, right? So now looking at this sideways trend, what do you think that what we should do?
Actually, no trade we have to do in sideways trend first of all.
Correct. This is the ideal answer. But if suppose you still want to enter, for that particular enter, we can go
Breakout.
into next
Yeah.
level, I mean hourly trend. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So suppose I'm going to the hourly now. So this is my hourly. Okay, because
Yeah.
before entry we need to find out something, I mean what we need to do. So in hourly also we need to find out what is the, if there is any suitable situation for me,
Okay.
right?
Now also it is it seems like sideways.
Correct, absolutely fine. So see normally I will tell you what I will do in the suppose tomorrow, suppose I need to do a trade tomorrow, right? When I will prepare today, I will check for couple of script. Maybe for example, the Reliance is also in my radar. So see, yesterday night I looked at this Reliance, and when I looked at Reliance, what I did, I looked at the daily time frame. I have done the analysis in directly in my what I can say, Zerodha account itself. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the Zerodha. So this is Reliance. It is little bit. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
See, I have done the analysis yesterday night. I have put all my entry, exit, and target entry wise because I was waiting for this candle, this today's candle, to break down. Okay. So ideally we should wait when this candle shows something. So it is in this situation, because what is happening, as per the latest concept, it is happening distribution at the top. Why distribution? Because there are lots of neutral candles and some of the bearish candles are there. So most likely this someday, today or tomorrow, someday this price is going to fall down. But we need to wait till the time this red can some of the red candles should break down below this blue line. So till the time we need to hold our horses, and when it happens, we can enter into that. So this is not the favorable condition so far. Maybe you can, as we discussed here, just mark your high and lows, make your flag, and then wait maybe whenever it breaks down completely, and then based on your that particular day analysis, you can put the stop loss and enter. I can able to show the quick similar example for what I have done. Sorry, this is my professional work. Suppose, okay, it was the exactly same condition. Are you there? I have created one group, Zerodha session on Zerodha. Are you there in that group?
No, sir.
Oh, no. Okay, you can call me Sachin. See, I am not from Asta. I am the student like you. So I'm just out of my passion. I'm just trying to share this small thing, because when I started personally actually doing the trading, I also faced some of the difficulty what you are facing, and based on that, I'm trying to explain the life scenario to my fellow learners, right? So see, this is the example of the Infosys, and you can see it is the kind of a similar situation. I will just show you the complete picture of Infosys. See, Infosys, it doesn't looks like your Reliance chart.
Yeah, yeah, it
Okay,
seems like in
correct.
sideways.
Sideways. But if you look at the actual example, what it happened, if you look at this thick blue line.
Yeah,
So yesterday it broke, but the candle which broke this line was little bit smaller, right? So, but
yeah,
still today morning I waited. So when today morning I waited, so basically normally when we are analyzing the chart, it is advisable that look at least a daily basis or maybe the hourly basis, minimum daily or hourly.
okay,
Then
okay.
even you can go to the next level, but in the next level you should find some favorable condition. So in this Reliance, if you go to hourly also, we didn't find any favorable condition. So why,
Yes,
what I have learned is, suppose if you look at very low time frame, 15 minutes, that means that if you enter in 15 minutes, your analysis your analysis may get failed in next 15 minutes.
yes, yes, yeah, mostly.
Okay, so if we do the analysis at least on the daily time frame, in that case, at least for a day or a couple of days, our analysis should be support us. Otherwise, lower time frame, it will support only for that particular during time frame, not for the long run.
Yeah, sure.
You are getting my see, Raghav, I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not trying to teach you here. I'm just trying
Yeah,
to.
okay, okay, fine. I am understanding well.
Yeah, correct. So so Infosys, I can say what I have done is actually to share our own, I mean, learners experience, I have created a separate group. Maybe I will send you that link of that group also, you can join. We are sharing the whatever trade we are doing for the
Yeah,
day.
yeah. Kindly add me. Whatever the charts pattern I have found, I share. I to
Correct,
share in that.
correct. So basically about this trade, maybe we will be discussing sometime this week, but for quick information, because you are looking at similar chart. See, I have waited this candle to this, yesterday I was here. I did the analysis yesterday night. When today I opened, I started looking at the hourly candle, and to more precise, and then you can go to lower time frame. You can still go to the 5 minute, so that to get the confirmation, okay, it has been broken or not actually. So 5 minutes
Okay.
is too much, maybe hourly or at least then 15 minutes you can look, right?
Okay.
And then when your candle is actually broken, then you can take the entry, and then based on that you can continue your trade.
Okay. Okay.
So the Reliance
Then,
one, let us
yeah.
wait till the time it breaks down happen. Yes, Raghav.
Yeah, first we have to check in higher time frame, that is daily.
Right.
When it is breakdown or breakout, at that time we can go to that decision sheet, go through
Yes, exactly.
SMM decision sheet. Yeah,
Right,
it is
correct.
fine.
See, to make the decision that, okay, you need to buy or sell, look at the daily chart.
Daily chart.
When exactly you want to enter, because whenever you are entering in a particular time frame. Then to
Okay.
refine your entry, okay. So suppose
Yeah.
here in on Reliance, we are expecting, we are speculating that the price will go down. That means the breakdown will happen. So
Okay.
whenever the breakdown will happen, and we wanted to do the short selling, that means we wanted to sell at the higher price. Higher price meant, but after the breakdown.
Yeah.
Suppose if after the breakdown we are here somewhere, and then we are kind of a better conviction that, okay, yes, now it has completely broke down, the price will fall, and in that particular time frame we can wait for the higher. So maybe we can wait for one or two wave stochastic up and down happen, and whenever it comes on the top, just enter there, so
Okay.
that
Sure.
you will sell at the higher price. And then when the price will fell down, maybe towards the later on the day, 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, then you can buy it at the lower price. So which the same thing I have done today. See, if you look at my all these this number, so whenever I made entry on an average of 926. That is my average entry. When I said average entry, because I did an entry of 4 different time frame. Maybe if need, I will explain in that in the upcoming discussions why I did 4 entry. And then I exited somewhere near. I mean, because it was intraday, so I have to exit. I exited somewhere here at 9:15 and 9:13. So whatever the difference, that is my profit. I mean, I purchased at high rate, sold at a high rate and purchased at the lower rate.
Fine.
So Reliance one, as I said, we need to wait for a few more days, or maybe yes, keep an eye. Whenever breakdown happen, next day you can plan for the trading.
Let us discuss about if any stock breakout or breakdown. In that we can discuss.
Yes. Okay, I will send you the link. Okay, which I have created. So in that link, most probably whenever I can see, I will try to inform you guys so that you can do the analysis and plan for entry.
Actually, my basic doubt is, hello.
Yes, tell me.
If it is breakout or breakdown, whatever it may be,
correct.
Then I go to let us in daily time daily time frame, it is breakout or breakdown.
Correct.
Then I go for 15 minutes wave.
Right.
15 minutes wave. I choose that candle 12:30 or 12:30, whatever it may be. 12:30 candle. At that time, the breakdown has happened. 12:30. 12:30 to 12:30 beginning of the starting of the candle.
Right.
12:45. At the time wave in tide, what which candle have to choose?
Okay.
12.
Okay, I got it. See, basically when you are planning for a trade, so the analysis you will do, again I said, because if you do the analysis on the 15-minute, that analysis will sustain for only 15 minutes. So but still what I can say that, okay, do that analysis at least on the hourly one. I mean, look at the daily one, but analysis one, do the hourly one. Don't go at the 15 minutes, because 15 minutes will be the risky. So if you look at this Infosys one, right? So this one, this candle, the big red one. Okay, this one was the yesterday candle close. Sorry, yesterday candle which was finished at the last hour of trading hours, right? So so this is the complete sign that okay, this breakdown happened. So if you wanted to enter any time later, do the analysis based on this big candle, because this is the most significant candle which did the breakdown. Suppose you are doing analysis at this candle, maybe today 12:15. So this, because the breakdown happened here. See, sometimes you're exactly whatever is taught may not exactly work. We need to look at the practical scenario. Practical scenario, something significant happens here. So you can take the entry wise. There is no other option. Whatever the current market price, you have to take the entry. But the analysis wise, for example, putting a stop loss and the target, all those things you can do based on this candle. Okay, the hourly one. So based on hourly one, see if you can see this hourly, right? This is the candle breakdown happen. What is the flag height? This is the flag height, though it will be one of your target. Okay, next target is the typically the pole height. However, if you see in my example, I have not took the pole height because there is the already resistance there before that, right? If you see that here, so rather than before the flag height, I have added one more smaller target because of the looking at the resistance. Okay, and today it had not reached even my first target. I have to exit because it was intraday, right? So based on this significant candle, you can put your stop loss at the top of this candle, whatever your entry price on the current price. But even to make that entry, see, this is the at the hourly candle we are doing the analysis. Like
Yeah.
what is the stop loss and what is the target.
Hourly candle is wave.
Correct. Now for your entry, your wave is the your wave become the hourly candle, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And see, and daily, in that case, you don't need to tide wise. We already know that, okay, this is the sideways, and after the sideways, which is a downtrend,
Okay.
right? And then to go to take the exact entry, then don't be there at the hourly, then you can go to the lower time frame, maybe 15-minute, or if I personally went to the 5-minute time frame. So what will happen in 5 minutes, I can see that, okay, what is the top and what is the bottom, right?
Yes.
What is the top, and because here is the time is ticking, so somewhere we need to wait, have a patience. Let's see, suppose here we have decided we are going to sell. So when we are going to sell, we need to wait for the higher price. So till the time it is going up, just wait, and from the top it is coming down, just try to enter by selling it.
Yeah.
Yes, and once you sold, then again you made an entry, and then wait for your target. And here in this example, it will be mostly intraday. So whatever the target that you have put, it may or may not be achieved. Most probably it will not be achieved. So you keep on looking on your profit and etc. And based on that, once your time gets over, maybe 2 o'clock or 2:30, you have to make the entry. Sorry, exit. And for the exit, you have to buy it. Whatever the number of shares you purchase, the same number of shares you have to buy it.
Yeah.
Right. So
Okay.
so analysis do at little higher time frame, but to make the entry, that is we say the refining your entry. So where exactly you want to enter, for that purpose you can go into the lower time frame.
Lower time frame. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I understand. Yeah.
Right. So is there any other thing, I mean, with this, in this example, I can explain, I can help you?
No, no. Actually, I understand very well. What I understand is first for analysis part,
Yeah,
hourly or daily time frame. Yeah.
correct.
Analysis, and for entry we have to go for lower time frame, that is 15 minutes or whatever lower time frame.
Right. See, analysis always do little bit on a higher time frame. At least I
Yes.
can say maybe not daily, at least hourly, because in
Hourly
that
for intraday purpose, we can do our analysis hourly basis.
hourly basis. But to make the entry, I mean, where
NPM
exactly to enter, you
15
can
minutes.
go to the lower time frame.
Yeah. Where the candle broke down, that is our resistance point. We mark it and go.
Right. So it is like there are one or two things. Either see in this one, so the negative crossover happen at the bigger candle. So and this bigger candle is what it is. It has a huge volume and a I mean long candle. So
Blank and
correct. So to be on
significant
a safer side, see, I personally took at the top of this bearish candle as my stop loss.
stop
And
loss. Yeah.
if you can see in a practical scenario, in a day it was almost very near. So 936 was my stop loss, and it's reached 934. Okay, so in this case, because suppose if you take this forming candle as a stop loss something, it will break any point of time, and it will, I mean, you will in between you will lose. So it requires
It is
little bit
better.
patience, right? So yes, yes, Raghav.
It is better to put the stop loss on significant high.
Correct.
Yeah. Then what price you have to you entered in that in at what candle you entered?
I again I took a entry 4 times. I see I bought something, here, and then price went up again. I bought here, price went down, and again went up. I bought again here, and it again went up. I bought again here. That is my other strategy. So I will explain. I mean, when during the coming weekend, we will discuss with the entire group, and I will explain that why I took that decision.
Okay, 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 fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm planning to take I mean share my experience, whatever the good trade I have done, and what are the best practices that
Yeah.
worked for me. I will definitely share. Okay.
Yeah, it is better. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Raghva. I'm getting some call from home. So
Yeah.
if there is no
Sure,
question,
sure.
we can disconnect and we can connect further as needed. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure.
Okay, Raghva.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you. Thank
Bye.
you very much. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Pleasure. Pleasure. Bye.